Hello and welcome back to the Bookland Yard. My name is Shaurya and today I am going to be reviewing The 5am Club by Robin Sharma. This is the second Robin Sharma book that I have read after The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. Sharma is a Canadian writer who's worked as a litigation lawyer till the age of 25. This book has sold over 15 million copies and has been translated into 92 different languages. I admire the author for attempting a method to share motivation through a fictitious story to help readers get interested. The author shares how we should develop our inner power by developing a daily ritual. The book not only shares the importance of getting up early but also how it impacts our activities for the rest of the day. The story revolves around two protagonists, the artist and the entrepreneur, who meet at a seminar of the Spellbinder, who is a motivational speaker, and where they meet a billionaire. Both the artist and the entrepreneur embark on a journey to learn the tips of the 5am Club from the billionaire. The concept was beautiful, but the author could have avoided highlighting the story so much. Many a times I felt that the author was deviating from the core point. This is a typical example of the books where the content of the book could have been zeroed down to a blog post. The author talks about the victory hour between 5am and 6am that exists before sunrise and when most of the population is asleep. This time is for the dedication and preparation of ourselves, and what we do within those 60 minutes impacts not only the hours to come but the rest of our lives. The author also talks about the 20-20-20 principle, in which he divides the victory hour into 3 segments and calls them move, reflect and grow. This book got quite mixed reviews and I would recommend it as a one-time read. My favorite quote from this book was, "To get the results of the top 5% of the producers, you'll have to start doing what the remaining 95% are unwilling to do." This book costs roughly around 350 INR and consists of 314 pages. I'll leave the link to the site where you can buy this book from in the description box below. This was Shaurya from the Bookland Yard signing off.